classify multiplication as repeated addition. So that is our objective for today's lesson. Learners, I say mathematics time, activity time. Now let's look at something I've written here. There are three boxes. There are three boxes. Each contains 4. Each contains 4 cubes. How many cubes are there? I take it again. There are 3 boxes. Each contains 4 cubes. How many cubes are there? Now let's look at it. There are 3 boxes. So I have 1 box here, another box, making 2 boxes, and then another one, making how many boxes are there? 3 boxes. So if I say there are 3 boxes, so the 3 boxes are here. 1, 2, 3. And they are saying each box contains 4 cubes. So it means that I have to put 4 cubes in each box. So we are going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have the 4 cubes. I put it in one box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4 cubes. I put it in the other box. Then another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4 cubes. I put it in the box. So the activity here is what we have done, or is what I have done. There are 3 boxes. So the boxes are 3. 1, 2, 3. Each contains 4 cubes. So now you can see that each box, there are 4 cubes in it. How many cubes are there? So how are we going to get that? The answer. How many cubes? So this box contains 4 cubes. This one also contains 4 cubes. And this one also contains 4 cubes. So how many cubes are there when we put them together? So how do we do it? Good. So this one is 4. When I add another 4 to it, then I add another 4 to this. So here, this is what we are going to do. So the first box contains 4 cubes. So I've written 4 there. Plus the second box also contains what? 4 cubes. Then the third box, also 4 cubes are in it. So how many cubes will be in the 3 boxes? So this one, the first one, 4, plus another 4, plus another 4. So what will be the answer? 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4. What will be the answer? So here 4 plus 4 is what? 8. Then 8 plus another 4, it will be what? 12. So now let's check whether what we have written there is correct. So there are 4 cubes here. The other 4 cubes too. This is the first 4 cubes, the second 4 cubes, then the third 4 cubes. So we want to put them together and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You see that? So 12 is there. You have all seen it. So in this case, 4 cubes, the first container, first box, 4 cube, the second box, and then 4 cube, the third box. So 3 boxes. So here we can write it as what? 4 times 3. 4 times 3. And 4 times 3, what will be the answer? So 4, 4, 4, 3 times. What will be the answer? So here that is it. I have the first 4 here, the second 4, then the third 4. So 4, 4, 4, 3 times. And what is the answer? 4 times 3. What is the answer? The answer is what? It's 12. So you've seen that. Multiplication is what? Repeated addition. Now let's look at what we want to look at. Now we have it here. 2 times 5. 2 times 5. Let's look at it. 2 times 5. We are saying that multiplication is repeated addition. So here, my first 5 is there. Plus the second 5. So how many 5s are there? The first 5, the second 5. They are saying 2 times 5. So I should see 5 how many times? 2 times. So 5 plus another 5. What will be the answer? It's what? 10. Very good. Then, let's go to the next one. The next one. 6 times 3. 6 times 3. We are saying that, or I am saying that multiplication is repeated addition. So here, 6 times 3. We want to find out. 3, 3, 3, how many times? 3, 3, 3, how many times? 6 times. So look at it. That is my first 3. I add another 3. I add another 3. How many trays have I added? 1, 2, 3. But they are saying 3, how many times? 6. So I have to add. I've added another 3. I add another 3. Now let's look at it. How many trays? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here they are saying 3 how many times? 6 times. So it means that I have to add another 3. Good. So here I have 3 how many times? 6 times. 6 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now let's find out. 3 plus 3 is what? 3 plus 3 is 6. Let's do it and then see. This is 3, the first 3, the second 3, the third 3, the fourth 3, the fifth 3, and then the sixth 3. So 3 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we want to add everything together. It's repeated addition. So if we added them together, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 3, 3, 3, 6 times is what? 18. So this tells us that 6 times 3, the answer is what? 18. You've seen that. Good. Now, I have this nice table here. Let's look at this nice table. They are saying that we should fill in the missing facts. They are facts. Like, as I said here, 6 times 3. You cannot get any other answer apart from what? 18. Or when you add 3 6 times, you can't get different answer apart from 18. So we are saying that it's a fact. So now we want to fill in the missing facts here. Now let's look at the first one. The first one. Here they said 4 times 3. 4 times 3. Let us look at it. 4 times 3. Now 4 times 3. Here, what it means is that 3 how many times? 4. So you are supposed to add 3 4 times. So the first 3 plus another 3 plus another 3 plus another 3. And what is the answer? So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. What is the answer? Let's look at it. Yes? The answer is what? What is the answer? The answer is 12. It's 12. 3 plus another 3 plus another 3 plus another 3. How many times? 4 times, right? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So we have the 3 here, the other 3, the other 3, the other 3. So we want to put them together. Let's put them together and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you've seen it. The answer is going to be what? 12. Okay. So the answer is 12. That is the answer. You've seen it. Now, let's come to the second one. Or 3 times 4 is the same as 12. Or you can also say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, the same as what? 12. Now, let's come to the second one here. Look, this one they didn't write it for you. So, 4. We have 4 plus another 4 plus another 4 plus another 4 plus another 4. So how many 4s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've seen that. 5. So here they are saying that 5. Let's look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 4s. So 5 times 4. So how many 4s are there? 5. So 5 times 4. And now we want to identify 4 times 5 and get the product, or 4 which has been added 5 times. What will be the answer? Now let's try and see. So the first 4, the second 4, the third 4, and then the fifth 4. So 4 how many times? 4. So we have to add another 4 to make what? 5 times. 5 times. So we have the first 4, the second 4, the third 4, the fourth 4, and then the fifth 4. So now we are saying it's repeated addition. So we have to bring them together. Let's bring them together. Okay. So we are going to count and then see the number of cubes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the last one, 20. So here, 5 times 4, or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. You are going to get 20 as we have done here. So the answer is what? 20. Now, wonderful learners, as we have all said, that multiplication is what? Repeated addition. We have done it to prove what we've said. Now, wherever you are, you can now identify that multiplication is repeated addition. You can repeat the addition to get your answer. And here the answer, we call it the product. The numbers are the factors. The first year, the first number, the second number, these are called the factors. And the answer that you get is what? The product. So don't sit down for them to use word to confuse you that find the product of 3 times 6 or 6 times 3. They are the same. They want you to find out the answer. Learners, I don't want to leave you people like that. I want to also give you a task so that you also try your hands on it. I keep on telling you that mathematics is a subject that it needs constant practicing. If you don't practice it all the time, you forget it easily. So the free time you have, the leisure time you have, the ample time that you have, you sit down and then you work more on it so that you get the concept, you get the idea at your fingertips. I don't want to leave you just like that. Now I want you to fill this. It says fill in the missing facts. The first one, we have done it. The second one too, we have done it. But the third one, I want you to also try your hands on it, and I hope, believe that you get the answer correct next time we meet. Until then, I say bye.